Hi, Shuttleworth Foundation. Imagine a world in which anyone, anywhere, can create a highly effective, volunteer-led, 100-person organization in 1 hour. That is the vision that my team and I have been working toward. I'm Steve Phillips, and I'm the founder of EffectiveAF. And we're building end-to-end encrypted project management software specifically designed for swarms of activists trying to change the world. Today's software tools are not good enough for activists. They don't feel safe using them, and when they do try to duct tape together a solution using existing apps, they end up with secure chat over here, insecure task management over there, there's a calendar and files someplace. It's a mess. In contrast, our app, called Effective, unifies these features, encrypting all user messages, tasks, calendar events, and files. Even your username is encrypted. Effective is ultra fast to get started with, faster than any other project management tool on the planet. You don't even have to provide an email address. You just click the invite link and you're in. Most importantly, Effective makes it possible to rapidly onboard large numbers of people by organizing them into a hierarchy of specialized teams. With these tools, every volunteer who joins a cause will quickly know which actions to take as different teams work together as a powerful unit. This work means a lot to me. I am deeply committed to preventing the permanent extinguishment of human privacy in our lifetimes. And there is much that I have learned and accomplished over the years leading up to this critical juncture. In 2012, I built Cloakcast, the world's first chat app to hide information about when users send messages to each other. Cloakcast accomplished this by generating decoy chat messages once per second to hide users' real chat messages dispersed in between. Since 2013, I've been giving regular privacy workshops, teaching people how to use existing privacy software. In 2015, I created CryptTag, a nonprofit and software suite which encrypts data and makes it partially searchable. It's open source and on GitHub today. I then presented that work at the DEF CON Hacker Conference. While I was project manager and lead developer of the Pursuance project, I led a team of volunteer developers to build and deploy LeapChat, an in-browser, end-to-end encrypted chat app that I designed and that's been used by thousands of users. I presented my technical design of the Pursuance software system at RightsCon, a human rights-centered technology conference. And then we had a successful Kickstarter campaign that raised more than $53,000. I've learned the hard way that financial sustainability is necessary for any meaningful project. Google has invited me 14 times now to interview for an engineering role. But I let them know that I'm not exactly an ideal cultural fit. I replied to one of their recruiting emails with, quote, "I will be busy opposing your oligopoly, working to decentralize power for the sake of security, privacy, and anonymity for all," end quote. To make privacy-enhancing software truly accessible to all, an innovative pricing model is required. Current models assume that every person using the software is a paid employee of a for-profit company. Our model accounts for the reality of nonprofit and activist projects, where you have a very small number of paid employees, if any, and a slew of unpaid volunteers that can't cost these projects $10 per user per month. In addition to these pricing innovations, we're also pioneering a number of technical innovations that we're open sourcing for others to integrate into their projects. I cannot carry out this mission alone. Join me to help empower those brave activists who risk everything, even their lives, to fight for a free and open society. Together, we can bring about a more just world.